Hey guys, it's April 2nd and I am back in the garden. Of course, what do I find as I'm watering and planting stuff? Well, I decided that I was going to plant some stuff today. And I also found this fertilizer that I've been wanting to try. That's an organic fertilizer. It's got kelp meal and fish meal and stuff like that in it that I've been wanting to try. Sorry, forgive me as I move my hose a little bit. I'm flooding my garden again because it's been really windy and nasty and I don't want my plants to die. Of course, there's my pretty grapevine that's coming out really nicely. I just saw over here zucchini. Let's see, there it is. A zucchini plant. And yes, there is a reason why it's by the fence. And I have some other stuff coming up and I am getting really excited. I actually have stuff coming up in the garden. Just by putting some manure, some boxes, and mulch. And here's one of the tomato plants that I just planted today. This is a Phoenix tomato plant. It's a determinate. It's supposed to put out good sized tomatoes. We will see what it does. And of course my pretty chives. And over here, that's what I wanted to show you. You know how everybody says, plant your tomato plants in this completely sterile environment. And keep it inside at like 80 degrees. Well, can you see them? Those are 4th of July tomatoes. They produce the regular size tomatoes. I have tomato plants that I planted from seed in the garden. Okay? But remember where I'm also at. I'm close to La Luz, New Mexico. It's hot. It's crazy weather. And I just passed up my other tomato plant that I just planted. This one is a San Marzano tomato plant. These produce like the paste tomatoes that you'd make sauces with. They're going to be yummy. And let's see, I have my onion. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you. I don't know if anybody's heard of them, but I have blue potato plants that are coming up. Right there. They're going to produce a blue potato that is really good. I like them. I also have some other tomato plants. I'm sorry, potato, that are coming up. Here's another one. And over here, another potato plant. Now, remember where I'm at. Hot, arid, windy, crazy. I have cucumbers. I have some zucchini. Tomato. I even have some things that people say can't grow out here. And don't try it because you're going to fail. I'm trying it. Oh, this is one that I just planted today. This is a Desert Eve Deep Rose Yarrow. It was pretty. It still is. It's going to provide some pretty in the garden. But yeah, I planted that. Now, and I know my husband's probably thinking that I'm crazy. I got 3 more ducklings. And we're going to go see them in just a minute. And then we're going to go see what I planted up at the house. Forgive me just a second. There. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to clear out that area. All the way over to my chicken coop. I'm going to clear out all this. Make my garden bigger. Let's see. We're going to go over here and we're going to see my little babies. And I planted some other stuff in my front little bed. Give me just a second. Okay, you said you put a light switch over here. Here we go. Here's the little babies. Those are my 3-est new additions. Katie's still sitting on her brood. I can't wait to see what she produces. But yeah, I have a gray one and 2 black ones. So I have Blue, Daffy, and Daisy. I don't know if they're girls or boys, but hey, that's okay. They're cute. So, now that we've listened to some music and seen some cute little duckies, let's go up and see my other area. Now, we pulled a bunch of rocks out of that front area whenever we put in that slab. And I moved some over and planted a trumpet vine. An orange trumpet vine. Yesterday. And I like trumpet vines, and I'm hoping it'll climb this pole and make it look cool and pretty. And I got a surprise visitor. Mr. Josie Wales. Come on, buddy. My Mexican bird of paradise is doing great. My yellow roses are doing awesome. Don't mind all my stuff over there. And I finally had one of my irises open. Right there. I have more that are going to be opening. And I planted over here some gladiolas. Surprise visitor, Miss Misty. Goofy Gizzy has decided to join us. Now, here's my rosemary. That is still growing crazy. Over here, that's my Cherokee purple that I had planted from a transplant. Well, I went and got some cilantro. I got 2 cilantro plants right here. And then over here, I planted a jalapeno. We'll see how it does. It's saying that my pH is about 7-ish on my little meter. We'll see how it goes, so wish me luck, guys. This is a nice little area because it's right here by the porch. I can easily come out here, get what I want, and go back inside, as long as everything grows. Now, these cages I can easily tie down to my porch. But yeah, there's that front bed area that I've been playing around with. And all it is a good thick layer of manure and hay. Some wood chips from the dump. And some more hay and manure on top. And that's all I did over here. I did add in some more of that seaweed fish emulsion fertilizer whenever I planted. So, yep. I'm pretty excited. What are you scared of, Giz? Huh, Gizmo? So, the chickens are pretty much being the chickens. I released my 2 6-week-old ducks. And they're intermingling with the flock. So, now it's just a matter of time to see what does what. There's my rosemary. It's a pretty plant. I love rosemary. Which I actually have some over here on my table drying that I had cut off to try and make my rosemary look more symmetrical. Didn't work. I don't know. But yeah, let's see what happens whenever I actually dig all the way down to the bottom of this. Okay? I haven't watered this in almost a month. And look at this. That dirt. Look at that. I like that. It actually looks like real dirt and not this. So, let's see if we get right here in the middle what it looks like down here. See, here's the layer of manure. Move some of that aside. Like I said, I put in a thick layer. Look at that. It's actually looking like dirt. It's holding the water. Yes, I have like a sandy clay dirt here in New Mexico. Some people have more sand. Some people have more clay. Some people have tons of caliche. It all depends on what you get. So, there's an update, part 3. Have fun.